Hello everyone, myself Ayush Jaiswal and this is an explanation video of internal test 1 question 9 part C, where we will see data quality issue and dimensions. Now I have pasted this to look the slide word. Now what's the real question? The question is student faculty feedback data. I can get the paper also. That question is student faculty feedback data may suffer from issues like accuracy, completeness and consistency. Discuss each issue in detail. Propose two other dimension of data quality relevant to learning analyst with example. First, we can issue one accuracy because its definition how correct and error free the data in example in data is example in feedback, or I can say explain. Sorry. The student accidentally select 1 instead of 5. Teacher name wrongly mapped. Rating 150 out of 100 due to system glitch impact. Wrong faculty performance report, unfair decision detection, range checks and outliner detection. Issue 2. Next slide. Completeness, where data can be incomplete. There 30% student skipped infrastructure option. These are the examples of incompleteness. Open text content box left blank. Entire survey abundant. Midway impact. Biased mean median. Issue 3 can be caused through inconsistency of data, where the data is logical and non-contradictory. For example, overall satisfaction equals to 5, but all individual questions 1 contradictory. Same student give 2 different ratings in 2 survey for same course. Data of feedback before course that start impact confuses analytic model detection cross field validation rules. Now I can two additional dimensions must write like this. There can be timeless when needed, meaning feedback and available and months after course ended. Feedback analyst 6 months after condition. Timeless relevance and relevancy is collecting hostile and helpful for the purpose. Now I can explain it in more clear way. See, the data is available when needed in timeless and feedback collected 6 months after course ended. And why it is important? It is important because old data irrelevant for current semester. And relevancy, second dimension is relevancy, data is applicable and helpful for the purpose. Example is collecting hostel food quality in online course feedback. And it is important because waste space and confuses students. Now it is summary table. Now we will summarize all that data dimensions. For accuracy, the example is that someone has given 150 out of 100, that is irrelevant data. Valid range validation. Completeness, where data is incompleted, like missing comments, null count. Consistency, where data have inconsistency inside it, where overall 5 but answer question is 1. Business rules. Timelessness, feedback after 1 years, where it is no worthless after a semester. Relevancy, irrelevant questions, cautionary reviews. Thank you everyone. This is our 9th video. We will making a next video on question 10 of handling missing values, and see you there.